Hey y'all, welcome back to the Beauty Room with Just a Girl. I'm so happy to have you here once again. If you are new to the channel, of course, hit that subscribe button and turn your notifications on so you never miss an upload. And if you're a subscriber, welcome back to the Beauty Room. I want to show you how you can turn this daytime look into a nighttime look using literally 3 or 4 products, real quick. Okay. So I did my makeup earlier today to create some content, but I want to show you guys that this is a very pretty daytime look. The eyes are not too dark. It's not a lot going on, but I want to add some definition to my face and take it to a more nighttime feel. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to go ahead and darken up my eyelids to add to that darkness of the eye look. I know you can tell a difference in the eyeshadows. Can y'all see the difference in this lid versus that one? Can y'all see it? Can y'all tell the difference? I can see it, y'all. I can. Matter of fact, let's do this. That's not as dark as I would like, honestly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and use my Fenty bronzer because that is going to really, I think it's going to do it better. Is it? Come on. Well, it's not doing what I wanted to do tonight. Come on. Okay, I think it's working now, y'all. And going dark does not mean you have to be going for reds and purples. No, you can still be giving, nude tones, but it's just more defined. You may be putting more product. You know what I'm saying? So I just put the bronzer on my eyelids. And now I'm going to go ahead. The eyes are really, for me, what will take the look from day to night. I'm going to go ahead and use this black eyeliner, which is, I have brown on. I'm going to add the black eyeliner, and that is what's going to also help bring this dark eyeliner, this dark look to life. Y'all see that? So there's the black eyeliner, which really, really, really does it up. That is what takes it up a notch, honestly. I'm going to go ahead and add some Mocha Mami bronzer on as well. Adding this bronzer. Y'all see that? I think it's coming together really nicely. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a blush. Okay, I can't find the blush that I really want to use, but I'm going to go ahead and use this blush from Subtle Beauty. I don't even know the shade, y'all, but I'm really annoyed that I can't find a blush that I really want. I don't know where it is, but this is what it's giving. I'm kind of slightly annoyed now because I don't know where the blush sitting right in front of me is one of the ones I would have used, but the one that I really want, I don't know where that is, but this one actually is a better shade for a more nighttime look. This one is actually really good. Let's see. Yeah, this is the one. This is a blush that goes from a cream and turns into powder. So as you can see, I'm adding more product than usual because it's like nighttime, you want it to really show. You don't want to look like you ain't got makeup on. Like, this is not a no makeup look. This is like a, you got makeup on. Everybody know you got makeup on, girl. You have the makeup on. Wear the makeup. That's what I feel like nighttime does. Y'all see? It's a lot of blush, I know, but this is a nighttime look. And then the lip I have on, I'm just gonna go ahead and use this Juvia's Place bronzer, lip liner, sorry. And I like to just use a nude shade lip for nighttime. That's what I prefer to do. What's this? It's a little dark. Let's see what this is. This some type of lipstick. I don't know. I don't even know what it is. Okay, this is cute. This is her MAC. That ain't bad. But it don't really go with the lip. It don't really go with the bronzer. Hold on. Is this better? I don't know. Let's see. Let me fix my hair. What do y'all think? Day to night? Hold on. You feel like you got too much lipstick on or anything? Just back of your hand, blot it off. What do y'all think? It looks cute. Definitely added to the eye. It looks good. I think it looks good. Definitely went from a very much a daytime to nighttime look just by using the bronzer, the darken up the eyelids, the eyeliner, changing out the lip, and you're ready for dinner. You're ready for the club. You're ready for wherever you going at nighttime. You ready, girl? Okay. You don't gotta always take the whole makeup off. You can just make some tweaks and changes, refresh your face, darken things up, add a little bit more, wear the makeup, and you good for the night. Okay. So this is just my easy, simple way to go from day to night with the products that I use, the products that I shared, techniques that I share. Hope that you love them. If you have a different technique, please drop it in the comments to make it more simple for me. Let me know what I could have done differently to make this an even more of a nighttime look. Okay, so let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed the conversation, of course, hit that thumbs up button. Of course, right? Subscribe to the channel because we love it over here. And I'll see you guys in the beauty room very soon. Bye.